In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Cash App. This process, although it may seem daunting if you're new to it, is quite simple once you know the steps. So let's dive right in and guide you through it, making sure each step is as clear as possible. First, you'll need to open your Crypto.com app. This is your gateway for securely buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin and over 400 altcoins. Once you're inside the app, the starting point will be navigating to the Accounts section. That's generally found on the main screen, and it's your go-to place for managing your funds. Once you're in Accounts, the next thing you'll want to click on is Crypto. Clicking here will give you access to all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold in your Crypto.com account. This is essentially your dashboard for all crypto-related affairs, whether that's looking at price changes or making transactions like we're doing today. The next step is crucial for our task, locating and selecting Bitcoin. Within the Crypto section, find Bitcoin, sometimes denoted as BTC, and click on it. This will open up a page dedicated specifically to Bitcoin, which provides you detailed insights on your holdings, as well as options to move or modify your Bitcoin assets. Now that you have Bitcoin opened up, look for the transfer option and click on it. Transferring is the primary action you'll take when you're looking to move your Bitcoin from one platform to another, in this instance to your Cash App. After selecting transfer, you'll be given a choice. What you want to do now is click on withdraw. Choosing to withdraw is how you begin the process of moving your Bitcoin off of Crypto.com. You'll notice a prompt asking where you'd like to send your funds. This is where having your Cash App wallet address handy will come into play. It's important to carefully check the wallet address to avoid any potential mistakes. Sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address usually means the loss of those funds. Make sure it's exact and you're confident in its accuracy. Once everything is double-checked and good to go, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your withdrawal, and that's it. You've successfully initiated the transfer of Bitcoin from your Crypto.com account to Cash App. Depending on network conditions, it may take a little while for the transaction to be fully completed, so just keep an eye on both apps for confirmation. Remember, handling cryptocurrencies involves a few technical aspects, but once you get the hang of it, it opens a world of financial opportunities. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and, more importantly, helpful in carrying out your transaction. Thank you for joining, and happy investing.